Hi everybody, welcome to Success Series. This is your educator Shrishti. Let's do the multiple choice questions for chapter 10 of your class 8 civics, whereby we will be looking at law and social justice. If you haven't had the pleasure of looking at the chapter explanation, it is a very short chapter. Please follow the description box link and go and watch the chapter explanation before you take up on the MCQs. Wishing you guys all the best. Please post your correct answers in the comment box. Guys, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and also the bell icon before we proceed with this lesson. Also, please do not forget to click on the like button if you happen to like the lectures that are here. Coming to the first question for the day, Dash is a city known for its textile mills. Your options being Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Bhopal, or is it Delhi? So, which city is known for its textile mills? That is clothing, weaving, etc. There is a timer of 10 seconds, everyone. I hope you have answered already. It is a very easy question and it is going to be Ahmedabad. Okay. Ahmedabad is a place in Gujarat. Is it or is it not? These places, Surat, etc., they are very famous for their textile centers. Okay. Ahmedabad, in fact, is also known as Manchester of India. All right. Manchester of Japan is basically Osaka. So that's how it is. Let's move to question 2. According to the 2011 census, there are dash child workers employed in various hazardous sectors. 6 million, 2 million, 7 million, or 4 million. Everybody, the time has begun. It's a factual question. Census is conducted every 10 years. It tells you about the population structure and other details with regard to a country. How many child labor are seen in various hazardous sectors? Your correct answer is going to be D, which is 4 million. Fact based question है, नहीं आता था. Please learn it now if you do not know. And you already know about the Child Labor Prohibition Act. इस चैप्टर में वी हैड सीन दैट टू सेव पीपल फ्रॉम एक्सप्लॉयटेशन बहुत सारे लॉज बनाए जाते हैं. चाइल्ड लेबर प्रोहिबिशन सेज दैट एनी चाइल्ड हु इज़ बिलो 14 years cannot be employed in any industry as well as any kind of hazardous sector. And 6 to 14 is the age group that has to fall under the right to education because that is a fundamental right for all Indians. Coming to question 3, Bhopal gas tragedy took place in the year 1984, 1985, 1986 or 1981. Everyone, time begins again. Tell me please, Bhopal gas tragedy. Which year did it take place in? You should be good with this. Absolutely, it is going to be option A. It is one of the worst industrial disasters to have struck, in the world. And this was because of a lack of safety that was provided from the part of industries. So it is an industrial disaster. It affected a lot of people. It was a Union Carbide factory in the state of Madhya Pradesh. A very poisonous gas, which is methyl isocyanate, it had leaked from the industry, and a lot of people are still fighting for justice with regard to this. Let's move to 4. Dash is a major cause of environmental pollution. Vehicular emission, killing of animals, tree plantation, या फिर food distribution. Time begins. Everybody keep posting in the comment section. Any doubts, we are here, we'll take it up. So write that as well. And dash is a major cause of environmental pollution. Very simple, nothing much to discuss. A is the correct answer. Vehicular emission leads to a lot of gases that are fueled out into the atmosphere, causing a lot of dust, pollution, and thereby not leaving the environment healthy. Move to 5. Alang is a port city located in Dash where old ships are dismantled. Dismantled मतलब उसको disfigure करके वापस से हम बनाते हैं. Is it Maharashtra? Is it Kerala? Is it Gujarat? Or is it Tamil Nadu? Go guys, time is here. Alang is a port city. In which state? Which state, which state, which state? You should know the answer to this. And it is going to be option C. Gujarat is the correct answer for Alang port city. Please move to 6. Location of Supreme Court in India. Where is it? Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan or New Delhi? I'm sure you guys will close your eyes and give me the correct answer to this. It is a very, very simple question. Location of Supreme Court in India, the apex judicial body of the nation, it is New Delhi. So in the hierarchy, Supreme Court is the topmost structure under judiciary. It is the highest court of law and no appeals lie above Supreme Court because the Chief Justice of India resides at the Supreme Court and is the highest decision making authority. It is located in New Delhi, this coveted body. Come to 7. Which article provides right to life? Article 21, Article 22, Article 15 or Article 14? Time begins everyone. Tell me what the correct answer should be. Which article provides the right to life? It has very well been broadly interpreted in one case as well, which is Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar. इसमें बोला गया था कि आर्टिकल 21 राइट टू लाइफ तो है ही, बट इसके अलावा ये राइट टू लाइफ में क्या इंक्लूडेड है? राइट टू लिविंग इन अ नॉन पल्यूटेड अनपल्यूटेड एनवायरनमेंट. सो आर्टिकल 21 की इंटरप्रिटेशन को ब्रॉडन कर दिया गया था थ्रू दिस एक्ट. Move to 8. When was the Supreme Court of India established? 28th January 1950, 26th January 1950, 29th January 1950 or none of these? Should be quick. Should be quick. Yes, everyone, what should be the correct answer? What should be the correct answer? So here the option will be B option and this will be your correct answer. Let's move to 9. All persons are equal in the eyes of. Is it police? Is it ministers? Is it courts or is it law? Time begins everyone. All persons are equal in the eyes of what? So this is the rule of law basically, and it is definitely going to be law. Law is not going to be different for the rich or poor or for the powerful or weak. Law is going to be the same for everyone following the concept of rule of law. 10th and the last question, what are provided by the government to protect people from exploitation? Is it laws? Is it policies? Is it schemes? Or is it none of these? Time begins. Very, very easy chapter. That's why a set of very easy questions. I hope you guys have all scored 10 on 10. Right, everybody? Please tell me what are provided by the government. I had already given this answer to you, and it is the essence of this chapter. Laws are made to ensure social justice. What is social justice? Absence or prevention of exploitation of any particular group. तो जब भी laws बनाते हैं to protect the interest of certain segments, then that way we save them from exploitation. Hence, laws are going to be your correct answer. With that, we come to the end, guys. Do follow our page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You will get academic as well as other trivia related information with regard to SST as well as other subjects. YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and don't go without liking the views on this video. Thank you so much for your support. Be safe, everybody. I'll see you next with some more awesome lessons. Till then, bye bye and take care.